Hey man, say man, before we get into this video, make sure you follow my Instagram account and get us to 4,000 subscribers, man. We've been stuck at 3.6K, but anyways, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Let's go.
Hey, why you do that, boy?
What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curtybo, and I'm here with another big body banger, man. You already know the vibes. And in this video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make a thumbnail like DDG, man. As y'all can see from the thumbnail, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make a thumbnail like DDG. So, hey, man, before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. You already know the vibes. But without further ado, let's get into this video, man. All right, so the first step, go to YouTube. Go to Safari or wherever your internet browser is. By the way, this works on Android, iPhone, laptop, whatever you got. Flip phone, sidekick, stop playing. But you're gonna want to look up sunset thumbnail background. Sunset thumbnail background. Don't forget the DDG. And then this should pop up right here. Boom. And then you should have all your little DDG backgrounds. Oops. So they got some pretty dope ones. For this video, I'm gonna use the they got some good ones. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna use this one though. I'm gonna use this right here. Even though it's whatever, marked on whatever. What you gonna want to do is copy that to your camera roll, and then once you get that, you just gonna want to go to PixArt. My bad, that's my goes crazy. But all right, so what we finna do is click on this, and you're gonna want to stretch it out. Boom. Once you're stretched out, you got your background. Now I'm about to add a picture. I'm about to add a picture of myself, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, we got our picture. This one it look a little corny, a little cringy, but I'm just showing y'all this for the video. So basically, what you gonna want to do is you gonna want to just crop your photo out and just have it looking dope. Take your time if you need to, and click. Oh, my bad. I know the nails looking a little nasty, but hey, don't worry about the nails. Worry about the thumbnail. That's what you came here for. But you can just fast forward past this part. But what I'm basically doing here is I'm just like getting out all the extra stuff that just don't need to be there. See, like little extra stuff in a way that just don't need to be there. Right here on my neck. PixArt is a lot like Photoshop. It basically is like a mobile Photoshop. If you were wondering what PixArt was, it's a dope app though. I use it to like edit almost everything I use. I ain't even gonna lie. I use PixArt for everything I use. It's kind of crazy. Not everything I use, but for every thumbnail. But yeah, once you get that, you got it all looking clean, then what you're gonna want to do is I actually might use this as a thumbnail, but you're gonna want to see, look at little extras. This is why I say, like, be careful. Get everything, because look at little stuff like this, little extra stuff you ain't even noticed. But I put a border over it, and I don't want to have it too thick. Boom, just like that. And I usually adjust it a little bit, get the picture looking right. I don't want to have it when it looking nasty. I throw that clarity up because it kind of like sharpens it a lot, as you can see. But I'm gonna just leave that there, and I'm gonna type in sunset. And then I'm gonna type in DDG on the search tab, and they have little search tabs right here. I mean, they have a little DDG. Here, I'm gonna go back for y'all. Just type in DDG. It's kind of crazy on Pixar how much like people actually upload like little DDG, little editing stuff. But in this video, we about to be using this one right here because it looks like dead on it. We'll just get that on there. Boom. Might have to stretch it out a little bit. Or no, once you get that, I'll probably mess it up a little bit, but y'all get the point. But once you get that, what you pretty much want to do is just let's see. You gonna wanna next step, I'll throw some emojis on there. So I'll throw this on here. Probably throw that like boom. Throw the little new emoji in there. You don't want to put too much emojis. I'm just doing this to give it that like DDG feel. But I'm gonna just put this right here. Throw that right here. And usually what I do with the emojis is I throw little shadows on them just to give them that just to put some quality on them, have them look a little better. But all right, so now that I got my emojis on there, I'm going to save this. And I'm going to go to Fonto. Now, what I'm doing here in Fonto is I'm going to be, I'm going to just load the picture on here. You don't want to edit it up yet. And then you're going to go to add text, font. And Anton is what I use to get that DDG thumbnail font effect. So how to make a thumbnail. Text, how to make a thumbnail. And then go to, swipe right here, go to curve. And then boom, how to make, you don't want to curve it too much. It's gonna look a little weird. How to make a thumbnail. Go to style. This is how I put the color on there. I go to create color pattern, and I put this white usually. And then I just I get the blue here. Oh, on the top here you're gonna see the horizontal. Just put that on vertical. Then boom, you can change the bottom colors. So I'm gonna get the blue on here too. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just make a dark blue going up, and then at the top it's just gonna be like a light blue. Not too much, just lightly. And then go to style for your shadow. Hold on, I'm missing something. The stroke is important. Throw that stroke on there. Thumbnail DDG, and then I'm gonna get another text here. How to make a thumbnail like DDG. Just a little simple thing on the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to I'm gonna just make this white and then make this black. And as you see, it just make a cool little like look. And of course, throw the shadow on here. Now, after you're done with all that, I'm gonna just save it. And then I go back to PixArt, take this off, put this on here. And now I go to my effects. So we're gonna go to effects right here. Just looking for the right font to use. I'm gonna just use this one right here. Let me use this film 2 on effects to give it that like dope vibe. Now I'm gonna go to tools and then adjust. Let's make everything look a little brighter. I turn my clarity up. Turn my clarity up a lot so I can get that sharpen effect. If any of you guys are familiar with the sharpen tool. But after I do all that, I just go to my blur. And then boom, man. Nice little DDG thumbnail. And that is the end of the video. Hopefully y'all like that. Hey man, if y'all want to see more videos like this, suggest them down below in the comments. You already know the vibes. We just hit 2,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate all my supporters. We going crazy, man. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curtybo in this thing. Curtybo out. Peace.